Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make corn on the cob. Start with the freshest corn, looking for vibrant green husks and moist silks. Once you have your corn, carefully peel back the husks and remove all silky threads. A stiff brush can help with stubborn silks. You might also trim the ends of the cobs for a cleaner look, making them easier to handle and serve. This simple step ensures your corn is ready for cooking. There are several fantastic ways to cook corn on the cob, each offering a unique flavor and texture. Boiling is quick, usually taking just 3 to 5 minutes for perfectly tender kernels. If you prefer a smoky flavor, grilling over medium heat for 10 to 15 minutes is ideal. For a slightly sweeter, caramelized taste, roasting in an oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes works wonderfully. Choose the method that best suits your preference and available equipment. Let's focus on boiling, a classic and straightforward method. First, fill a large pot with water and bring it to a vigorous rolling boil. You can add a small pinch of salt to the water, which enhances the corn's natural sweetness. Gently place your shucked corn cobs into the boiling water. Cook them for approximately 3 to 5 minutes. You'll know they're ready when the kernels appear plump and are tender when pierced with a fork. Once your corn is perfectly cooked, it's time to serve and enjoy. Carefully remove the hot cobs from the pot using tongs. The classic way to serve is with a generous pat of butter, a sprinkle of salt, and a dash of black pepper. For an extra touch, you might try a squeeze of fresh lime juice or some chopped cilantro. Corn on the cob is best enjoyed fresh and warm, so gather your friends and family and savor this simple, delicious treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.